Good evening, guys! Kakatapos ko lang maligo. Ang feeling. So, today is Saturday evening. Actually, hindi na pala Saturday. Ano na siya, madaling araw na ng Sunday kasi past 1 na. Magta-try on lang ako ng clothes for the upcoming Duwang With You FanCon. Ayun ang eksena natin. This coming Saturday and Sunday. Ito yung clothes na ita-try on ko. Jeans yan. Hindi nyo na nakikita kasi it's dark. Ito yung naisip kong suotin for day 2. So ngayon, try on natin siya. Ulit. Tapos after ko mag-try on, mag-skincare na ako. And then manonood ako ng Gel Boys Season 2. See ya! Ang feeling! Ayun na guys, I'm done trying on the clothes that I am going to wear either day 1 or day 2. So right now, I'm wearing my PJs already, which is from Duwang With You. Ngayon mag-ano na ako, mag-skincare na ako. So currently, this is my nighttime skincare routine. Cetaphil, and then bumili ako ulit ng The Ordinary na niacinamide serum. Tapos ayan, manonood na ako ng Gel Boys after Gel Boys Season 2, Episode 1. Let's go! I'm so happy kasi after over a year, lumabas na yung Season 2 and super favorite ko itong Gel Boys. Gandang-ganda talaga ako sa kanya. Well written, well executed. Feeling maganda yung acting and all, yung aesthetic ng series or cinematography is the best. So, ayun lang guys. So, ayun. Ang pangit na, parang tanga, nakatapat yung ilaw. Ayoko na kasi buksan yung ilaw, te. But anyway, kakatapos ko lang manood ng Gel Boys, Episode 1. Super ganda. And ang promising ng story, as in, very unique yung storyline niya. Or yung, I don't know, kasi parang ano siya nagkukwento yung future sons nila. Parang nire-retell yung story nila ng Gel Boys. And then, ayun, from 2054 yung POV nung mga anak nila, and then throwback sa 2024 to 2025. So, excited ako. Ay, feeling excited ako ano yung mga susunod na mangyayari. Kasi, very interesting for me yung ganong eksena. Parang kakaiba siya for me. Alam niyo yun. Bye! Hi. So right now, I'm here at Moss Burger and I have this para sa entry ko sa sa meet and eat ng PT4. So this one is burger, beef burger, fries, and then chicken pops. Tapos nanonood ako ng A Dog and a Pig. So yeah, this will be my 15th entry. So ano naman? Third na ako sa Moss Burger. Thumbs up.